Welcome. Girlfriend, we are going to become fast friends. It's Nicole Dominique from Nicole Beauty Co. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to unbox my NARS Studio 54 Free Lover Cheek Palette. I'm going to do some swatches on my right side, and on my left side, I'm going to choose the color I think is best. There we go. Beautiful palette by NARS. Beautiful sparkle, glittery. I love it. And there you have it. And I'm choosing to do this on my face, on top of powder, on top of foundation, because I feel like my face skin gives you the most realistic expectation of what the color is going to look like, and I'm definitely using a brush for that same reason. Of course, if you swatched with your fingers, you would get significantly more pigment. Next, we're going into this light peachy color. And in this cool mauve. Mid peach. Coral. Boy, that coral's a knockout, isn't it? Disco Nights, Final Cut, Amour, Luster, Crave, and Loves Me. So with today's look, I think we're gonna go Loves Me, which is this color. So I'm going to take this side off and repair the makeup so you can see a final put together look. I feel like this is the only one that is really questionable in terms of showing up. This one to me is more like a shimmer. Everything else is definitely more blush-like. I love how deep and pigmented these are. I think this side blended out nice, very pretty. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. So I think the NARS palette is beautiful. Definitely very sparkly if you want to dip into that for a holiday gift. If you really want someone to have a wonderful cheek palette, I think that would be flattering on most tones, right up into the mid dark complexion. Probably from there on, only the last two colors would show. But I really like it. I think it is very wearable. NARS is made in Canada. I did not know that. And as always, I will list my makeup in the description, so if there's anything that you're curious about, it will be there. Now, I think this is a fabulous palette. Yay! Beautiful colors, right? If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thumbs up, smash that bell for notifications. I can't wait to film another video for you. Thank you so much for joining me.